Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first video from on the road in this VW T6 with my non-permanent conversion. And after you've seen the building process of this conversion in the last few videos, in this one I not only want to give you a room tour, but I want to show all the features in real use, so you can better see what we should have done different or better, or what works out just like I've planned. After getting up to get from the bed setup to any other setup, you have to put the mattress together like this, then slide this sheet under here, mattress then fits in its home, and put up the backrest of the bench. As you lose a lot of moisture over the night, the mattress tends to get a little wet, so to dry that we from time to time take it out of the van and put it into the sun. So when the weather is as nice as today, we prefer to have breakfast outside, therefore we use our table. And then for the tabletop we use the board that already served for the bed. So when it's wet outside or too cold, we have a dining room setup in the inside as well. The flipped over bench now serves as table, and one can sit on the co-driver's seat and the other one sits on the little chair. That's the toilet as well. That serves also for sitting on the piano or at the desk setup. for cooking dinner, in the back we have our kitchen with a 2-flame stove. This is powered by gas. The gas bottle is in here. And when I open the lid to open the gas valve, this flip falls out just by gravity and works as a reminder to close the gas valve again before putting the kitchen back into the van. So, well, this ensures we won't die or explode in the morning. You can use the kitchen either beneath the hatchback here behind the van, or actually inside the van as well by opening this lid, or you can just take it with you and go to a nicer place. So here we can cook outside, we have a table to prep everything. To make this more useful, we have included a windshield as well that we can just put here on top, and now everything is ready to prepare the meal. When dinner is ready to actually eat it, we don't need a table for this, as we prepare the meal already in the bowls. So we leave the van most often in the living room setup. So this means we don't have a table, but we can sit in front of each other. Valerie is sitting on the 2-seated bench in the back, which is kind of our sofa. So this is why we call it living room setup. Cheers!